See this, GB? They're timing me out. Look at this. Got a 1 bar right now. They're timing me out. They're hosts. They're doing it still. I can't even kill this guy. Look, I'm shooting right at him, ass. He can't even I can't do anything. Oh my gosh, that's so wrong. They just timed me out of the match when they planted the bomb to get the win for it. They flooded us when it was 3-4, or actually when it was 3-3. And they timed me out when it was 2. They kicked Sturdy too. Sturdy just had 0 kills on that map. All right, just so everyone's aware. Look, both of us were timed out when it was 3-3, and they both got. And I don't understand. So they timed both me and Sturdy. We're not gonna time in the 3-3.